Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. So in this project we are going to plot snakehead by using a CSV file. So in this project you can learn how to read CSV file and how to use CSV file for plotting. This is the main agenda for this project. So first of all we need to install Matplotlib and Pandas libraries by using pip method. So here I already installed the Matplotlib and Pandas. Now I am going to import Pandas as PD, then import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Now imports are completed. Now we want to read the data. So here already data is there, that is a snakehead data. So in this data two columns are there. One is X column, another is Y column. So X axis data considers X column and Y axis considered Y column. So first of all read this data by using Pandas. So first of all create one object df equal to pd dot read CSV file. The file name is snakehead and it is a CSV file. Now reading is completed. Now we need to plot. So for that plt dot plot x axis comma y axis. So x axis this is and y axis name is y only. So in the df means it is the object I created. So df dot x axis means x column. In the df call the y column. Now put axis of for clear vision. Now finally apply the show method. Now run the code. You will get a snakehead. So wait 12 minutes, it was running. Yeah, this is the output of our project. Suppose if you want to change the color, so apply here color method in the plot. So I am taking another color. So these are the RGB colors. I am taking the points. Okay. Now code running. Okay, once again. Yeah, running the code. Yeah, we got another color of the project. So and this is the process of getting snakehead. So first of all we need to import Pandas and Matplotlib. So we need to read the CSV file and then apply the plot method. So here x file means in the df means this file. In that file we have X column and Y column is there. So that why I am taking the axis and it is a Y axis. Then apply the color method. Next axis was off. Then show method. And this is the process for getting the snakehead. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.